Hey, ready to navigate Korea like a local? Let's go. Shh. Number 1. A deer? 예요. 어디예요? Where is it? Number 2. 원적 왼쪽. That's left. Number 3. 오른쪽 오른쪽. Go right. See? You're already giving directions in Korean. 3 more to go. Number 4. 직진 직진. Go straight ahead. Number 5. 여기요. Right here. Or excuse me. Now you'll mega lost in Korea. See you next episode. 안녕.
A deer? 야요. 어디예요? A deer? 야요. 어디예요? 원적. 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 오른쪽. 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 직진. 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 여기요. 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 여기요.